I see you. She tried to break that stop. Here she is. Kristen.
What?
Kristen, wait till Corinne come up and let Corinne come up in front of you, okay?
Corinne's going down. Where are you?
I'm up above you.
Oh, hello. Here, I'm going down. I'm coming down.
Where's Corinne?
Daddy, Captain. Where?
Where's Corinne? Find Corinne.
Daddy's in the jail. Daddy's in jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how
Okay.
will we get
She's coming.
out? She's coming.
I see her.
She's down here with me. How will we get out? Oh my, go up now. How will we get out here? How will we get out here?
Stay close behind her, Kristen, so she don't fall. Where's Corinne?